Hi everyone, welcome to Conversations with Your Nashville Realtor. I am Meredith Smith, your Nashville Realtor, and I wanted to pop on real quick today to talk about staging and photos, and I wanted to share a little story with you about my recent experience with a perfectly executed listing plan. So I talk about staging and photos all the time. I truly believe it's the most important part of my 17-point marketing strategy when listing a home, and I recently listed a property and we went through, had a stager come through with us, had a checklist for everything that the seller needed to execute. I, of course, helped the seller get everything put into place perfectly for those professional photos and video, and put the property in the system as coming soon. Within 12 hours, I received an awesome offer. It was an offer that my sellers couldn't refuse. It was that good. And the reason why we were able to get a sight unseen offer was because the photos were that good. The buyer was able to confidently put an offer together knowing they were going to love the house because the photos were so good. So I know it's a seller's market. Many of you may not think professional photos matter. You may not think staging matters. I can assure you it matters, even in this market. If you want to get top dollar for your property, I would strongly suggest staging and professional photos. You deserve insanely awesome service when you list your home. You deserve to make the most money possible. So why not put your best foot forward and have your home show beautifully so you can get those sight unseen offers so buyers can confidently make an offer on your home without even seeing it in person. If you have questions about my 17-point marketing strategy or how I will sell your house faster and for more money, please reach out.